What's up, Afro Beast? It's your boy Graffiti again, bringing a great video. In this video, I'm going to do some graffiti art, and for the first time ever doing it for you guys. You stick to the end of the video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on post notification, the important part, to be part of the Afro Beast squad. Alright, let's jump to the video. Whoa. Alright guys, so we are through and done with the inking. So now it's left with the color, and yeah, I have some cheap markers here, so I'm going to try that. Alright guys, yeah, I'm done with one, so let me just fast forward it so you guys can get it pretty nice. I understand. So I went for a cool and dull color, but yeah, that was only the color. That's the colors I have. That's the limit. Yeah. Alright, so I should stop tagging in. We should just jump into the video, and yeah, let me do it a time slap for you guys so you don't feel bored. Alright, so let's jump into the video. So I think we are done. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, turn on post notification. That's a very important thing to be part of the Afrobeat squad, and leave a comment as to whether you like the video or not. I'll see you guys in another video. Ciao, stay safe, salam.